This is the ROLOOR Magnetic Helping Hands Soldering Station. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instruction manual. They give you a metal base plate here. There are 5 alligator clips with fixing screws and the arms for them. 4 circuit board holder mounts with points on top. This is a hot air holder. This piece actually goes with it and screws on. I'm going to show you all of this in just a minute. You get a lamp here that is a magnifying glass, 3x and 6x, and like I said, that's lighted. I'm going to demonstrate all of that to you. Rubber feet for the bottom and a soldering iron holder right over here as well. So let me show you how this all goes together. First of all, everything here is magnetic. As you can see, things sticking to it. Sticks there, it stays where you put it, like that. Now this base plate is in pink. It's also available in black as well if you'd like. So you can put these down to hold the circuit board in any way that you see, like that. As far as the rubber feet go, they just stick on the bottom. You just peel them off, stick them on the bottom there. For the alligator clips, we'll take one. Once again, it's magnetic, stays where you put it. Gooseneck, so it folds to any direction that you want. Let me see where the thing is up there. So what you do is you take one of the alligator clips, stick it in there, and then grab one of the fixing screws, and that will screw in over here. If I can get my dexterity together today. There we are. Just like that. Move that where you want, tighten it down, and now you have a nice alligator clip to hold whatever you want. You got 4 of those, so that's nice and easy. Your soldering iron holder just sits there. That's simple. Okay. So we got that, and it's really strong. Really, really strong magnetic on that. This here is an adjustable arm, and the way it works is you loosen this, and then the whole thing just kind of opens up and goes in any which direction that you want. So we'll leave it like that just for now. When you tighten it up, the entire thing becomes rigid once again. And then this piece over here will attach to it right here. So we screw that on just like that. Okay, and then of course you can loosen this and tilt that any which way that you want. We'll put it about like that, tighten that up, and now you can loosen this. And this they call a hot air gun holder. If you have a hot air gun, you can put it in there pointing straight down if you wanted to roast the circuit board as such. And get those chips nice and toasty, or whatever you'd like. So you can use it for that. You could also use it for soldering iron, but of course always have your soldering iron point facing up. And once again, it's magnetic and it stays where you put it. Let's take a look at the lamp. They also give you the adapter for it. It just plugs in, goes to USB like a cell phone charger. So let's take a look at that. So like I said, this is a magnifying glass, as you see right there. You can put anything you want behind it, and it will magnify it greatly. 3x or 6x. This is a real glass lens, by the way. And then you have a fob over here where you can turn it on. And now you have different color temperatures. You can do a cool white, neutral, or warm, just like that. You can adjust the brightness on it. There's 10 brightness levels. We'll set it to the cool white, run the brightness down to there. You can turn it off, and it will remember that same brightness setting next time you turn it on. So let me now put everything together here. I'll solder a wire together, and we'll see how it all works together. In fact, first, let me show you the circuit board holders, and then we'll do that. So here's an old piece of RAM as such. We'll turn the brightness on that lamp up so you can see it a little bit better, and you can see how it'll hold it there. You also can use it in the groove like that, as you see, and just place it something like this with the groove like that, and that'll hold it as well, which is also kind of nice. So this is an example of what you might see with everything on there all set up as such. I got a loop of wire here I'm going to solder. This is an old Weller soldering iron from the 70s, most likely. I think it's only about 25 watts. You can see that I can easily heat the wire as such, and using the magnifying glass I can solder this easily. This wire is kind of thick for this iron, so it's going to be a little bit for it to get enough heat into it. There we go. We're starting to get there now. Get some more heat over on this side. If I had a little bit more powerful iron, this would go a lot better, but this is what's handy. So you get the idea that, just like that, when you're done, put your iron in there, nice and safe and secure to not burn anything. Here's a shot through the magnifying glass so you can see up close. You don't have to use it just for soldering. You can use it for crafts, threading a needle, real great with the magnifying glass and a lamp, beading or anything like that as well. Remember, the base is also available in black. Once again, this was the ROLOOR Magnetic Helping Hands Soldering Station. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.